is the sign up form. Level 1 username, level 2 email, 3 password, and 4 is confirm password. I have declared a button sign up. So go back to your code, and this is the sign up.html. There is the HTML code. Style. You can set a style for the body part. I have declared a form. Method is action is null. Heading for sign up. This is the heading part. And label one username, and this is input type. Placeholder username, ID and name also username. This is the username and this is the level for email. Okay, type in, and that one is level for password. Input type is password. Okay. Now to views.py. Define a function name. Function name is sign up base. It is request. Firstly, I declared a condition. If the method is post, then it received 4 data. One is username, second one is email, third one is password, and fourth one is also password. Okay, this is for input password and this is for confirm password. And again declare a condition. If password is not equal to password 2, then it returns a message your password and password are not same. Otherwise, data will be saved to your database. Okay. Now set the URL path. This is the URL path for sign up page. This is the function and give a name of its sign. Okay. Now you need to create a model. Go to models.py. You have to declare your model name. I have declared a model name. Content inquiry. There are 3 columns for the content inquiry: name, email, password. The size is equal to 50. Use part. You need to add your database like app.models import contact inquiry. This is the sign up.html and this is the URL path and this is for the function to access your database. Now script run python manage dot files. Okay, click here, follow link. This is the sign up. Give a name Hit email email the password. Okay. Confirm password. Now click on sign up. Now you need to log in. There are two levels. First one is your username, second one is password. Now I will create this login form. So go to code, login.html, and whose method is also post. Okay. Level 1 username, level 2 for password, and I declare a pattern. This type is submit. Okay. Now go to base.py, find out your login page. So you need to declare a function, and the function name is login page. Okay. So this is the first condition. If method is post, okay, then it will get two variables. First one is username, second one is password. Okay. Then declare username, which is user, and authenticate request. This is the username for it, and this is the first one for this. Okay. And username and password, which is in your database. Okay. Database models. This is the password and this is the name. If username is equal to username, your this username and password is equal to your given password is same. Then go to your login page. Okay. This is the login request. Otherwise, it will give a message username and password is incorrect. Yeah. And this is the home page for like home HTML. And I used a table to view my data. First one is for names, second one is for email, and this is the first row, name and email, and there are two heading, email name and employee name. Okay. Now run this Python minus dot run. This is the login form. This is the message. Now login again. Now need to create an account. Right? Um, right. There is email.com. Contact us. Yeah. Login. Your password. Okay. The home.html. If you want to log out the page, it's like this. And you can again log in. So for log out, just go to your code, go to views.py. For a sign up and login page, you have to set your URL first. This is for sign up and this is for login page. Okay. Login. This is the function and give a name of it. Now I want to log out. So, this is the logout function. Okay. And logout request redirect or login. Okay. That's the simple. Write this code. It will log out your HTML form. Okay. Click on this page and log in, and this is the logout.